Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Goldenberg NJ and I'm Nas. Today we are going to Mall of the Emirates. In 2012, it was ranked 7th most productive shopping center in the world. The construction started in 2003 and finished in 2005. The cost of construction is 800 million dirham with a total floor area of 220,000 square meter and parking is sufficient to accommodate more than 7,000 cars. So let's get started with our vlog. So we arrived here जबकि पूरे restrictions ख़त्म हो चुके हैं and we can easily roam here but with mask. And अभी हम entrance पे है shopping mall के. It has total 4 floors. Look at this terrific view. This mall contains all the famous shops, Carrefour, Hypermarket, Centerpoint, Debenhams, Home Center, etc. etc. And other than that is my magic center here, especially for kids and young adults. Not only that, यहाँ पे Sky Dubai भी है, which is known to be very famous. Now, as we have younger kid less than 2 years, we are not allowed to go to Magic Center nor either the Sky Dubai. Just look at the interior, it's heart-throbbing. It was specially designed by American architects who included both Arabian and Mediterranean old culture design. And can you believe they finished it in only 2 years? There are many famous high restaurants here. And look at the cinema theater. We are heading towards Carrefour. And here we go in the Carrefour. And I grabbed a chocolate which was in discount of 15 dirhams. And it's my favorite place, the baby shop. Then we did some shopping at fruit and vegetable market. All kinds of mangoes are available here from various countries. We selected one of each type. Some kiwis. And there we go, Indian mangoes. Some more of my favorite chocolates. And now we are moving towards Sky Dubai. My son was so sleepy and my husband is holding him. And here we go to the Sky Dubai. The entrance ticket was very less, it's only 200 dirhams instead of 500 dirhams which is normal price. But our kid is not allowed inside. So it's her bad luck, we didn't go inside. And then we had a food at restaurant and we had some fun at a shop. I wrote Golden Bird NJ and my husband is writing now something. Naz loves Junnu, that's really cool. And then we are heading towards a toy store. Here we spend so much time. Here you are allowed to even play for some time with the toys. And this is such a huge toy store I have seen. You can find all the toys starting from 2 years to up to 14-15 years. We spent almost 1.5 hours of time here, and there was a beautiful mermaid store there जहाँ पे beautiful princess produce होती है, उन्हें मेकअप किया जाता है, रेडी किया जाता है बर्थडे के लिए. It was amazing. This mall was so huge, we were so tired of walking. So we just planned to go back home after a lot of roaming. And again, finding out the exit is a challenge here. But security will help you if you have lost. It was a quite good experience. I enjoyed a lot. And for kids more than 2 years, they have more things there, magic center and all. But unfortunately, we cannot go there. So hope you guys like this video. I will see you in the next video. See you guys. Take care.